everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. So this is one of the ottomans that I purchased from Family Dollar. I picked up 3 of them, and then I was able to find 2 more. So I ended up getting a total of 5 ottomans, and I'm going to start creating some concepts with these. So the first thing I did was I took the lid to the ottoman and used one of those DTF transfers that I showed you from a while back and put it on to the lid. And this one I thought was really nice. It matches the inner lining of the ottoman, and it says faith is not knowing what the future holds, but knowing who holds the future. I think that this is a nice keepsake for this ottoman, and that was a nice DTF transfer to put on it. And if you've seen my videos, you know I have a heap of these DTF transfers that I will be putting on other concepts as well. Now I'm thinking about going ahead and putting some on the actual box itself, but we will see. Right now I'm going to leave it just like this. So please tell me what you think about this transfer on this ottoman lid and how it looks to you. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.